Fox Sports Cards in beautiful downtown Marion, Illinois, and we're going to open up a box of 2008-2009 SP Authentic Hockey.
Wow,
excellent
hockey
product. We're looking for Steve Mason probably, and some Stamkos. We like Oshie since he's from around here.
TJ Oshie be a good pull.
Yeah, there's some others. We've got Shin. That's pretty good. So we're looking for rookies, but we wouldn't mind having a Gretzky.
Well, as long as we're asking, yes.
Yeah.
Just going to bust that and we'll get in and start going. 3 autos per box?
Yeah. Yeah. Very good product.
And it does have the signature SP Authentic look.
And we're already looking at
Brian Boyle, rookie autograph right out of the gate.
number 2/999.
Yeah.
On the card autograph.
Very nice.
A lot of loops, a lot of ink. That's a good thing.
Another future watch. Another rookie.
Put them off over there.
Alexander, interesting last name.
Franson, he had a pretty good finals.
And speaking of finals,
Osgood.
We got Chris Osgood.
He had until the last 2 games, he had a wonderful finals.
Yeah, and his last game wasn't too bad anyway. It was just, he didn't have much help that game.
Stahl.
Jordan Stahl, another final.
Must be notables.
Oh, okay, Fuhrer. A little bit old school.
Very cool.
Another Stanley Cup winner.
Yep.
Brad Boyles from the Blues. Other notables. Zetterberg.
Patrick Kane.
Patrick Kane.
Very nice.
Yeah,
Big man in Chicago.
We'll put him out there, and we'll put the Blues right next to him. We're talking about taking our card shop, getting some a group together and going to a Blues Blackhawks game this year. So we're kind of all wanting to kind of grow into hockey a little bit. Rick Nash.
Very nice. Saw some good checks.
TJ Oshie.
Yeah. YouTube, baby.
There's another notables. I like that insert series. That's kind of a nice look to them.
Pretty nice. Another Patrick Sharp. He's pretty good too. And Spezia. He's good.
Pretty solid. Yep.
Yep.
I gotta say, so far I really like these.
You can't go wrong with the SP Authentic look.
Very clean. And you got it. There's your Sharp.
Autograph in this one, you think? I don't know. Backstrom.
I always heard the longer you wait, the better off the card is. So
Well, now see, I like
it's worth
that
the
thing.
wait. Is that St. Louis?
Mm-hmm.
He's pretty good.
Martin St. Louis. Should be a Blues player though, don't you think?
I think so. We need to
With a name like
ask
that,
for a
yeah.
trade. You know?
Something. Speaking of Zetterberg.
Oh, that's nice. Got a FX Hollow.
Very, very nice. I'm looking for the numbering on it. I don't see it on that. But that's kind of sweet.
Ooh, hollow effects. Very
And the
nice.
Zetterberg came out with it, so that's always...
Trying to get that SP Authentic logo. There it is. Very nice.
Is that Tim Thomas?
I didn't even look. I'm sorry.
Oh, Ryan Miller. Big fan of Tim Thomas, by the way. So whenever I see one, I get kind of excited. But alas. And very nice card. Ooh, not who I thought it was there for a minute. Got kind of excited.
I saw this name as I was pulling it out of the bag, and
Yeah, it's always nice. We have
Gretzky and Crosby.
a Filewich, and there was a Crosby underneath it, and we thought we had a
Oh, yeah, I could see why that would be.
Yeah. Just for a minute, there was a little bit of a hard stop there.
Nice pack, though.
Yes.
Gretzky, Crosby. Follow sign of the times.
And we got a Ovechkin and a Martin Brodeur. Congratulations to Brodeur on getting the most wins for a goalie this year. For a career.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Yeah. I wish they hadn't overprinted his rookie card, but we'll handle that.
Fleury,
Another Future Watch.
Future Watch. Okay, so we're 2 autos in so far.
Looking for the big one.
Looking for the biggie. Derek
Oh.
White. Teddy Purcell.
Future Watch number to 999.
Seems like a Kings box. Got 2 autos from the Kings. Gold version.
Yeah, I guess I should have that out there.
Gold version number to 100. It's the limited version.
Claire.
And
Mr.
Gordie.
Hockey, Gordie Howe. Other notables. I do like the notables inside.
Chris Chelios, an ex Blackhawk. Too bad. Got I do believe a Timu Mussolani, which for the Ducks, one of my favorite players.
That's me. Oh, mercy.
Getting down to the nitty gritty.
Yes, we are. Heather Fleury. Martin
St. Louis.
Chris Drury. I don't think I know she would kill us, would it?
No,
Come
no.
on, just one PJ.
Triple autograph wouldn't be too bad either.
We would do that. I think we would take
We're
that.
not asking for much, are we?
No.
You got a Vulcan, which is nice. Base. Congrats on the new championship, Vulcan.
Yeah, 7-game
Well
series. You
deserved
can't,
for the MVP as well.
Yeah, he did. He played well.
Another Hall of View.
I really like those.
Those are very nice.
Two packs left. Trying to hustle through these. I know it's a lot of packs to open.
Yeah, Sackett's good. Joe Sackett. For the Avalanche. Last pack.
You can always hope for
And again, like,
So pretty good. Overall, a good box.
very nice. I like the Hall of Views. They have some good aesthetics.
On the card autos, I mean, there's not much that you wouldn't like here.
yeah, delivered its 3 promised autographs, so that's a good thing.
There
Our
you go.
first ever box of hockey
That's
on
my first
YouTube.
box of hockey open right there.
Cool.
Fantastic.